Alright, today in the shop we have this Eico 150, model 150 solid state signal tracer. This signal tracer is questioned to be from 1964 or 65. It features ground audio input, RF input, power switch, RF audio, output extreme, I don't know what that means, speaker, and substitute amplifier, and a substitute speaker, a meter, plate collector, B+ collector plate, probably for tubes or transistors. Now, it's not in the best condition. It came out of Cape TV. It's really beat up. You can see like stuff missing here. This is bent. What I plan on doing is cleaning this thing up, making it look 10 times better than when I got it. But I can refinish this, and it's you just wait until you see this. This thing is so abused, but hold on. We're gonna do a test here. Got the tape recorder to play on that. Let's connect that. Stand by. Alright. Let's turn this. It still freaking works. So is the freaking meter. Yeah, but it literally still works. For how abused it is, it still freaking works. Now, put that back. Now, there's a catch to this. Let me just unplug this. There is a big catch to it. There's a catch to this thing. Well, let's do a checkout, and I'll show you what's wrong with it. Okay. Let me show you what's wrong with this. Now, as you see, it's seen better days. I mean, it's not in the best of condition. But it seems to be all there. But here's the thing. When I first got it, this cord, the original cord was cut. Obviously someone put it out of service, but what I don't get is why, until I saw this. There's actually kind of two reasons why they would probably put it out of service. One, it's abused, it's seen a lot of use for sure. And two, well, let's get this cord out and I'll show you this. Inside of the case looks relatively clean. Kind of clean. Yeah, looks good. Now, it looks okay. It's not mint at all. It's not mint or anything. I mean, it's probably 50 years, 60 years old. Oh yeah, those are hot too. But yeah, you see the board. I did this. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to remount it. I found out that you put your iron to this and desolder it from the. It's kind of a stupid design, to tell you the honest truth. But yeah. But the other reason is, yeah, I did this new cord. The other reason is you can see in it there ain't no fuse in this. Well, I ain't gonna put a fuse in it. I'm just gonna leave it original and replace what I have found. Let me show you what I found wrong with this. This thing's a pretty dangerous thing to be running, especially if I'm gonna put it into use. Just watch, look at this. First of all, right there, cracked, bulging. Second one, literally about to spill that shit out. And they're warm. This one, the 35 volt at 100 UF, hot. They're bad caps. And it's amazing that they're still working, but we gotta replace them if we're gonna put this in service. Transformers feel normal. So, let's do that. Let me heat up my iron. I cleaned the tip as best as I could, but it looks quite better. You can actually see something on it. Got my soldering station here. Got desoldering braid, and I got my capacitors that I'm replacing that I found in my stash. But let me just plug in my iron. Get the iron heating up. So I can demonstrate to what we're gonna do. So what I plan on doing is taking out this board, cleaning it as best as I can. I'm going to take the speaker out, clean it, de-bend this, and then I think if I take some sandpaper, this may work, this may not, but it's worth a shot. If I take some sandpaper and just sand the top of it. Wow, you can see it coming back to life a little bit. Well, that'll do. Get it back to life. Get it shining again. That's the least I could do to this. Make it look not as bad. This knob ain't original either. So let's desolder this, cause it's a weird design. Oh shit! Hold on. How to get a wet sponge? That works. looks pretty good. That's really weird. Huh. That's really weird. It's like a little cap. Strange. Yeah, like a little cap. That's a neat design, I suppose. And that just gets the board right up. Oh, there's one back here. Move some wires so I can get to that. I'm just gonna do this. Oh shit. Oh yes, I have to pre-tin my iron. Yep, that's right. I think this board can come up now. Kind of worked. Yep, now the board will come up. I'm going to desolder these wires. Let's try some soldering grade. Yeah, I could still do this. Okay. And my replacement substitutes for the, I think they're 500 UFs. 500 UF. I'm going to put a 680 UF. Same voltage. I got 2 of those, and then for the 100 UF at 35 volt, I have a 120 UF at 200 volts. It's fine. It'll do. Then I'll slowly bring this on my dim bulb tester, and we'll see if I fucked it up. Yep. Got this little cup. Okay. I might have to do these now, so. Move some wires out of the way here. That might work. Hold on. Okay. That'll work. I think I got it almost out. I hope. Yeah, it's this one. Good. Slowly getting this capacitor out. I don't even think these are me just do this. There. Well, that's out. Good. This one will be easy to take out. Just desolder. And done. Our first cap. It's, yep, look at that. They're supposed to do that. There. Okay, actually. This trace looks a bit fucked. Let's rebuild it. Okay. These I'll just replace all of them. Oh, great. My soldering braid fell. It's kind of weird. Whatever. By the way, I'm using quick. I'm using quick braid. Rosin? Oh, it has rosin in it. Huh, so I don't have to use extra rosin. Probably all dried out though. You know what? Let's just make this a bit there. Now, definitely take off all the old fucking solder. Oh no. Great. That cap is pretty far back. I'm gonna have to move. I might have to desolder some stuff to get to that. You know what? I think I can do it. Now that I have more leverage, I think I can do it. No. Shit. Now I can get this damn thing out. Fuck. Keep hitting the goddamn wires. Okay, that one's out. Good. We almost got them all out. Now, this one will be kind of hard because it's kind of buried in wires. I think it could be done though. Yeah, it could be done. Make sure we got a hole in each frickin' that ain't gonna fit, is it? Fuck. fucking hate this button. Stupid fucking sensitive button. That didn't really work. Oh, whatever. Okay. That's done. We got those caps out. Now, these will be the replacements. So, let's put them in. That one goes in there. This one goes in the negative slot. Okay. Sweet. I feel like I need a bit more. Quite a lot of lead on this. More than I thought would actually work with this. Okay, that'll work. Okay. There's a lot of dust in this damn thing. Sure is quite a bit of dust. That's what I should have done with the other one, but I didn't. Okay, that cap's in. Sweet. Got one cap in. Now let's get the other one, which will be a semi-pain in the ass, but yeah. You see my solder work right here? In here? Looks pretty good. Now let's zoom in here to get frickin' back there. One, two. Wanted to get it as neat as I can. There. It's kind of disgusting. I don't know where the fuck that came from. Okay. Must have been soap. Oh. Yeah, I went a little bit too far on it. Just a tiny bit. Just a tiny little bit. Here's one. Why this ain't going in, I don't know. There we go. Okay. That's it. And, okay. And there. Okay. Those are put in. And let's make sure it's in right. Yep. It's in right. Perfect. Now we can solder this damn thing. So let's get some, let's get a bit of flux on there. Sweet. Now we begin. Luckily with this solder, I can go right over, nope, right over, and let's get a little bit of solder on the tip. There we go. Okay, there's one. This one will be a little bit tough, but certainly nothing I can't handle. And we're in. New caps in place. Look at that. Look at those. They look good. They will work. Just make sure, double check what my work looks like. Yeah, we're good. We're in. Sweet. Okay. It looks good in there. Perfect. Looks professional. Now the last cap, which is this one, so we'll just replace it with this. It's the same thing, it's just different, you know. You know. I bet you I could just pull this out. This one, I don't even know what's with it, but it's no good. I mean, I can tell. There we go. Okay, I got that one out. Yeah, this one looks like it's about to do something too. You can see the cracking too, and this one was about to go. Luckily, I am doing this in time because I have to. This thing needs it. It's getting done. If I'm going to use this to troubleshoot stuff, I need it at its best. Fuck, where is it? I think it was... Fuck, this thing's dusty. It's this one. Okay. Kind of. Need a little bit. Nope, close though. Close, but no. weird. Ugh. I fucking hate my desoldering pump. It is so... Okay. I have an idea. Might work, may not. Don't know till I try. Okay. So where I'm going is the negative. Actually, I could I don't think it needs to be this long. Yeah. Yeah, just... Oh. It did work, it's just... Okay. It works, I suppose. Oh no, fucking hell! I can't make a repair without the fucking camera dying. Why can't I not do that? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Come on, get the fuck in there. Thank you. That works. Oh, that worked. Now, what we can do, put these in there. We can slowly cut away at the leads until sweet. So now I know how much I need to get rid of. Sweet. A little bit more on this one. A tiny bit more, a tiny bit more, a tiny bit more, a tiny bit more. I might have went too far on that. Fuck. Hopefully I can get a little bit more lead out of that. Maybe. Maybe if I'm lucky. Come on. I guess that works. Get some flux on my solder. Get some flux on my solder. Come on. You know you wanna. I'm going to fucking get on my fucking iron. No. Get on my fucking iron. You stupid fucking bitch. Get on the iron. There we go. Sweet. Okay, that one's in. That leads in. Yeah, that is gonna be in. Perfect. Okay, we are in. We got new capacitors. Sweet. And, oh great. I gotta resolder that now. Just a tad bit of sweet. Got the new capacitors. Now, stand by, let's test it. Here's my work. It's professional, you cannot tell that it was messed with. Except, let me just move these wires a little bit. And I think we're ready to test. Alright, stand by. Alright. Now, we should be good. Okay, here we go. Huh. It's plugged in. Bulb die. I have life out of the speaker. More output, nice. Sounds a lot better and healthier. I literally, these aren't hot.